If you're starting your career and you're worried about AI taking your job, you've clicked on the right video. I've been digging into the latest research on this, and what I've found is both alarming and surprisingly hopeful. By the end of this, you'll understand exactly why your age group is being hit the hardest by this AI revolution. I remember when I was just starting out, my biggest fear was just not being good enough. But now, you have to worry about competing with an algorithm that never sleeps. We all know AI is automating entry-level tasks, but what you probably didn't expect is that while jobs for people in their early 20s are vanishing in certain fields, older, more experienced workers in the exact same roles are actually seeing their employment numbers go up. So, what's really going on here? A massive Stanford study analyzing 25 million workers found the answer. They discovered that since 2022, employment for workers aged 22 to 25 in the most AI-exposed sectors dropped by a staggering 6%. For some roles, like entry-level software engineering and customer service, that number was closer to 20%. But at the same time, their older colleagues saw their job numbers grow by up to 9%. This raises a huge question. What do these older workers have that recent graduates don't? Is it just experience? Well, yes, but it's a specific kind of experience that AI can't replicate. You see, large language models like ChatGPT are trained on book learning. They've essentially read the entire internet, every textbook, every manual, which is the exact kind of knowledge you spend 4 years at university cramming into your brain. But here's the thing. Your older colleagues possess something AI can't learn from a book. It's called tacit knowledge. These are the tricks of the trade, the instincts you develop after years on the job that never get written down. It's knowing how to navigate a tricky client conversation or debug a weird problem that isn't in any manual. These soft skills are incredibly valuable, and employers are not ready to replace them with an algorithm. So, does that mean your degree is useless and you're doomed to be replaced? Absolutely not. But it does mean the game has changed. And that brings us to the most important question. How do you adapt and actually thrive in this new reality? When I first saw these numbers, it felt pretty bleak. But then I noticed another piece of data in the study that changes everything. While some entry-level jobs are disappearing, a new type of entry-level job is booming. The starting salaries for entry-level workers who specialize in using AI actually jumped 12% just in the last year. This isn't about job destruction. It's about job rearrangement. The secret isn't to compete with AI on tasks it can already do. The secret is to become the person who knows how to use AI to do your job better, faster, and more creatively. So the real threat isn't artificial intelligence itself. The threat is being left behind it by it. The people who are getting displaced are the ones whose skills directly overlap with what AI does. The people who are thriving are the ones learning to augment their own abilities with these incredible new tools. Your goal is no longer just to be a good accountant. Your goal is to be a great accountant who uses AI to find insights no one else can. Start playing with these tools and make yourself the one holding the leash.